Hi, my name is Steve Dugan. I'm with Dryer Vent Rescue. We are a family-owned company located in Fenton, Missouri. We specialize in air duct cleaning and dryer vent cleaning. We have a camera to inspect your system. Right now we're charging $45 for that service. For our seniors and our veterans, we offer them a 20% discount. We don't play any games with the numbers. We don't have any special coupons. Whatever we quote is what you pay. If you want something more or if you want something less, we will bill accordingly. There's no surprise charges with us. So if you want to contact us, contact me personally at 314-280-2553 or visit our website for more pricing updates at www.dryerventrescue.net. Again, we are a family-owned business located in Fenton, Missouri, serving the surrounding areas of St. Louis County, Jefferson County, Franklin County. No job is too big nor too small. Thank you.